flash, dude. There are cops here. God damn. Okay, another day and another night. Another night and another ride.
Let's go.
I hope my camera angles and everything is correct. Okay. ओई 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 ओई. Okay.
इतना चुभने लगा हूँ सबको.
क्या भाई मैंने क्या कर दिया यार तुम लोग का? I need to hurry up because I'm not even gonna say it this time. Yes guys, as usual.
देर कर देता हूँ मैं.
Please let me go guys. Please let me go. It's an emergency. I am on my way to a ride. A very exciting ride. Look at those roads. Look at those concrete roads fully built. मेरा देश बदल चुका है, आगे बढ़ चुका है. बस ट्रैफिक का कोई तालमेल नहीं है. Why so much traffic at 12 in the night? There's no end to this Mumbai traffic, huh? And the amount of dust out here, dude. Shit. All my मेहनत of cleaning this bike.
हमारे अंधेरे भरे इस उजड़े हुए मकान को रोशनी की लालटेन लेकर खुशहाली फैलाने आया है वो.
क्यों चाहिए भाई इतना दूरबीन? On highways is understandable, dude. But why here? The only point of having such bright lights on highway is to see as further as you can, because that's the purpose of riding on a highway. That's the intention of riding on a highway. You need to get to see as far as possible so that there's no potential danger. तुम इधर कितना दूर देख रहे हो? This vehicles right in front of you. एक 10 सेकंड पे है vehicles. What? Why is the guy behind me flashing? What do you want, dude? You can go ahead. Why the f would you flash, dude?
Are you mad or what?
बस टाइम पास में फ्लैश कर रहा है ये बंदा. I gave him the benefit of doubt to maybe he has something to say to me, but no, he's just having fun.
सेक्सी लग रहा था.
You gazbaz. There's never not going to be any traffic in Mumbai at any given point. Here's where I'll stop and wait for a very interesting personality. Well, I'm bang on time. Let's give him a call. Hello? Yeah, where are you?
A few moments later.
Yeah, अच्छा. ये कौन सा है? टॉर्नेडो है क्या? एयर जीटी.
I don't know, man. I think Rhinox का है.
राइनॉक्स का है, बट एयर जीटी इट मस्ट बी. सही है, चलो. That, by the way, is my friend and a very, very funny comedian, Mohammed Hussain.
Motivation is the problem, right? My motivation to go to the gym is so bad, I have been taking my before picture for 2 years now.
I'm sure many of you must know him already, but if you don't, then he's a stand-up comedian and he's very funny. So I'm gonna get a lot of performance anxiety today. I am not even gonna try to be funny today. Unfortunately, we don't have any intercoms with us, so we won't be able to talk on the way. I've told him to get one, not right now, but whenever. He has been riding for a while, but he's new to proper riding like an enthusiast. So he's gotten a bunch of gear, riding jacket, riding pants, boots and everything, and this is the first time he's riding his boots apparently. So he's gonna have a ball breaking into them. So the agenda of this ride is that I'm riding to Navi Mumbai, out of all places. I'm riding to the Palm Beach Road. I want to shoot a video, a commercial of sorts, which we'll get to see very soon. So I won't spill the tea right now. But yeah, I'm very excited for that shoot. The shoot isn't happening today. I'm just going out there for some recce. I'll go there, understand the location, plan my shots. So the fact that I'm going one day prior to plan my shots and everything, so you must imagine how excited I am and how important this shoot is. It is very exciting. You know what, I'll actually talk about the shoot because you must have already seen the video by now.
Let me tell you a secret.
So this is a shoot that I'm going to do for Royal Enfield Guerrilla, and this has been in the concept stage for a long time, and I've been talking with Royal Enfield for ages regarding this, and finally it is coming to fruition. I already have the bike with me. It is sitting in my garage, but I purposely took out this baby because I was feeling guilty, guys. Come on, guys. And I haven't ridden this baby for a while. I just came back from my hometown riding the Moto Morini Escape 650, by the way. I just came back riding that, and this was idle for almost 10-15 days. So I thought I'll just ride this for a bit. And I also like the change it is giving me. It feels like an event riding this, because I've been riding the Moto Morini, right? And I also picked up the Guerrilla, and this one being so sporty, I kinda like it for a change. And by the way, it is past midnight now, and the reason that I'm riding so late in the night to that place is because I'm planning to shoot around the same time. This is a modular, right?
Yeah. This is the cheapest thing.
Someone needs their parcel very quick. Full speed में जा रहे हैं भाई. We are at the Palm Beach Road apparently. Yes, this is it. This doesn't look like a well lit road. शायद आगे जाके रहेगा. Damn, that's the BYD seal, right? That's a very nice car. Very luxurious. Damn. Looks very nice. Now I'm gonna launch, Holy sh! This thing, once you get upright, there's a load of wind blast, Holy sh! That literally like created a lot of drag. This is the stretch. Yeah.
ओ चूना लगा दिया.
Oh, how soothing that thing sounds, dude. The stock exhaust. This thing sounds so soothing, man. The stock exhaust. This thing is too loud.
I was just thinking, damn dude, it sounds so good.
It does. For a change it does, but once you like are after a 20 to 30 kilometers, right, you get irritated with it.
Yeah.
It's annoying.
Like it's not a thing that I was considering.
Yeah. Loud, right?
I like the current, like the level of.
Yeah.
कहाँ रेकी कहाँ कोई स्पेसिफिक जगह पे रेकी नहीं करनी.
ये रोड पे ही मेरे को ट्रैकिंग शॉट्स लेने हैं.
अच्छा.
So I was wondering how well lit are these roads. So these are good enough. I mean DSLR के लिए अच्छा हो जाएगा.
रात को शूट करना.
रात को ही करना है. इसी टाइम पे इनफैक्ट वेयर देयर इज नॉट अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रैफिक. और मेरे को एक फ्यूल पंप देखना है यहाँ पे. आई वांट सम. वो वहाँ पे भी लाइटिंग अच्छी रहती है ना, तो बाइक का कुछ बी रोल शॉट्स वगैरह वहाँ पे लेना है.
क्या कोई नई बाइक का
गुरिल्ला रॉयल एनफील्ड.
ये हैंडल बार स्टॉक है कि ये भी?
ये हैंडल बार स्टॉक है. ये ग्रिप लगा है उसके ऊपर. can't immediately come up, on this one. I was at 160-ish. Man, crazy dude. But what roads, man? इधर ऐसा गोरेगांव में मिला ना मेरे को भाई साहब. अच्छा बैंड के. हाँ. Stock. Everything stock.
I really want to.
You can get these shells separately. ये जो engine case है ना, वो separately मिल जाते हैं.
अच्छा. मुझे सब कुछ अगर क्रोम का ब्लैक करना है तो वो पेंट जॉब है ना अलग.
We'll stop somewhere ahead. You were saying some cafe, right?
वो बंद है.
बंद है. Yeah, these are nicely lit roads. Once you crouch down now, genuinely it makes a world of a difference. I did not expect the aerodynamics to change to such an extent. I'm sure you guys can't see right now, but I must say, whoa! There are cops here, goddamn. पुढे जाऊ शकतो.
बाल बच गए देवा.
Holy shit, I was shitting brakes. मेरी 1 सेकंड के लिए फट गई यार. मैं बोला गया आज.
मराठी नो.
हाँ.
काम आ जाएगा.
एक्चुअली चल सकते हैं. बंद है ये चालू है. भाई खाने का कुछ नहीं है वैसे.
खाने का ये सब कुछ.
पीने के लिए कुछ नहीं है.
पीने के लिए यू कैन हैव मोहितो फॉर 99 एनी फ्लेवर. मतलब बहुत सारे फ्लेवर्स हैं.
अच्छा. Are you eating anything?
नो मैन.
I'll also have a mojito only.
2 hours later.
All right. This feels good though. This suddenly turned into a race. Crazy dude, crazy. I wasn't prepared. I genuinely wasn't prepared for the race. But ठीक है, I got a lot of limiters. I completely was disoriented completely. Man, I can't compete with that. I must say though that once you are past 140, this thing is not confidence inspiring, Like you always have this thought at the back of your mind that things may go wrong. Where's my dude? Where is my dude? I wouldn't really recommend riding this bike but too fast. And I've seen a lot of guys getting tank slappers and death wobbles and everything at such speed. So, man, I don't want to turn into a vegetable. I'll take it easy. How come there is so much space over here, dude? This Navi Mumbai, इन्होंने ही सारी जगह ले रखी है यार. नवी मुंबई कर, प्लीज गिव अस सम स्पेस. गुड राइड.
थर्ड गियर में मैं बहुत ज़्यादा रेव ले लिया.
मेरा भी बहुत बार लिमिटर क्लिक हुआ, डन 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 करने लग गया. ना हाँ.
बाइक है ब्रदर, दैट बाइक इज मैड ब्रो.
या
Twin cylinder, oh, that was twin cylinder, no vibes. Aprilia, bigger brand,
या.
also very nice.
Aprilia 457 is also very nice, huh?
Same price range.
Yeah. And it sounds exactly like the bigger one. जो RS45 अपना क्या नाम है उसका, RS V4 उसके जैसा.
It uses the same parallel
या 270.
270 crank.
या अभी घर. I forgot switching off the camera and it was recording all this while. Fuck. So we found a good enough place, the Geo fuel pump. The lighting was absolutely fantastic. There was a store as well. So this recce of sorts was quite successful. Hopefully we don't face any problems tomorrow. The thing with shoots is that we don't have our production team, so anyone and everyone can come and object and say that you can't shoot here, and then we have nowhere to go. So we should have gone from here. God damn, bad choice. Bad choice. Should have gone from that side. Huh? Actually. But I'll have to find a better angle. I had a joke in my mind. The two-wheelers will convert into a four-wheeler and we'll have to pay a toll. Good thing that he pointed out that we can take an exit from here and f*** off. नहीं तो मैं वो जोक मार के जो अपना कचरा कर देता एक कमेडियन के सामने.
Comedy is not my forte. I'm just here to say sorry.
I am here. He's trying to look into his mirrors. किधर हूँ किधर है भाई, किधर चला गया. हाँ yeah. I hope we are. Now he's planted a doubt in my head. I genuinely hope we are. Yeah, Powai Mulund Thane. Yep, we are on the right route. The GT right now is in a nice state of flow, which is why it is giving all those ups and bangs. We made it quite fast, na? We made it quite fast. Why? I don't even know what the time is. My watch died. आई क्या है भाई ये?
क्यों हिला डाला ना?
But those roads at Navi Mumbai, those are the ones that are meant for such bikes. That's the actual use case of this bike. Okay, calm down, GT.
Daddy, chill.
तुम कुछ ज़्यादा ही मज़े नहीं ले रहे हो. Alright, we've come to the end of our ride collectively. I'll be taking a right from here and he'll be taking a straight. चलो भाई मिलते हैं. Good ride. Yes, lovely meeting you. We'll do this again soon. Yeah, for sure. अच्छा लगा यार. Yeah, man.
J-Wheeler शुरू हुआ तब तक बहुत मजा आ रहा था.
So much lumps here and there. क्या भाई? चल, bye. I'm just watching out for another round enthusiasts. So this was a successful ride. The intent of this ride was complete, and well, the GT also got a good spin. The engine is nice and hot now. It's in a good state of flow. जब engine अपने आप ऐसे pops and bangs देने लग जाए ना, मतलब समझ जाने का कि भाई मज़े आ गए engine को. Yeah, overall, and now it runs very smooth. Just today morning I got it washed properly. एंड आई नाइसली ल्यूब्ड इट एंड एवरीथिंग. तो अभी एकदम सब कुछ एकदम मक्खन चल रहा है, एकदम टचवुड ऐसे ही रहे. एंड वी आर बैक टू और एक और नहीं, बिपट्याचीवाड़ी. मैन, इन दिस 6-7 years that I've spent here, I've never come across a leopard. I am also not looking forward to.
मैं आ जाऊं क्या?
Especially on a motorcycle. Ooh, it is nice and cold over here. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा cautious रहना पड़ता है because there's hardly any light over here. Leopard अगर आ भी गया ना, उसको रास्ते में उठा के लेके चला जाऊँगा मैं घर. This road is to fully switched off only. You know what? It's very late in the night, so I may better take it easy.
इतना चुभने लगा हूँ
भाई मैं आज अभी इतना इज्जत से इजी लेने का सोच रहा हूँ और तुम लोग इधर शोर मचा रहे हो. ये क्या नाइंसाफी है यार. ये रात हो गई है भाई, लोग सो रहे होंगे, फालतू में क्यों डिस्टर्ब करने का है कि नहीं. चलो आई विल सी यू गाइस इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय बाय.
Bonus.
This, by the way, is the gorilla. Fuck, this thing is feather light compared to the GT, dude. Hey, I'm not fat shaming you, please. And she's just a friend, huh? Just a friend. Look at the new color though. It's brownish gray. Looks very nice. Nowhere close to you, GT. Nowhere close to you.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara